Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by launching Dolphin and confirming you have a recent build. This avoids legacy bugs. Next, open Options, then Configuration, and add your game folder under Paths so Dolphin finds ISOs automatically. Once done, go to Graphics and pick a backend, Vulkan, or OpenGL, and select the right GPU adapter if you have more than one. This first pass sets the foundation for performance and compatibility, so make sure backends and paths are correct before diving deeper. Now you refine visual and audio quality. In Graphics, set internal resolution to match your monitor, 3x or 4x for crisp 1080p/1440p, and toggle MSAA and AF for smoother edges. Higher settings cost FPS. Use enhancements like scale and aspect ratio to maintain 16:9 or original display. For sound, switch DSP to HLE for performance, or LLE if you need accurate audio or fixes. All finish by setting per game options. Right-click a title, open properties, and apply overrides like custom internal resolution, FPS limit, or specific hacks that fix glitches. Enable dual core for most games to boost speed. Consider Uber shaders to minimize shader stutter at the cost of disk usage. After saving, run the game and observe performance. If something breaks, try clearing the shader cache or reverting a recent change. Key troubleshooting tip: if severe audio or crashes appear, switch DSP mode and try the opposite graphics backend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.